We have got an incredibly well restored Roadrunner right here. I mean, this is Concourse nut and bolt awesomeness from top to bottom. Number matched 383 4-speed car. Hi, I'm Jay Grams here at the Volo Auto Museum. We have about 225 collector cars for sale at volocars.com. That's our website. You'll find this car and all the other cars with full descriptions, pricing, photos, videos, and plenty of ways to contact us. Reach out to us. Let us know how we can help you. We do this every day. We sell cars all over the world. We can help with financing, shipping, answering questions. Feel free to reach out with any questions you may have. I'm excited about this car. Let's take it for a spin. First thing you notice is the color. It's a special springtime color, Rallye Green. It has a special paint code designation on the fender tag. That's a reflective stripe decal on the side. This car again is Concourse restored. It has 4 miles on it since it's been done. It's from a big time Mopar collector. The underside is, I mean, right down to the proper oversprays, and I mean every little last nut, bolt, clip, detail is all done. You'll go to our website to check out the underside pictures. And the car functions like new. I know it only has 4 miles on it, but I just drove it around the lot, and tachometer, radio, temp gauge, everything works, shifts real nice, clutch feels real good. But it is probably better than new because the paint finish is superior to factory. The door jamb's beautiful, the sill plates, the upholstery, the seat belts, everything about it's pristine. All the glass, every rubber seal, every gasket. It's got bumper guards in front. Those must be an option. I don't recall seeing those too often. This has the functional air grabber system. 383 Magnum engine. It's got power steering. Completely painted in here. As nice as the outside. The right hoses and clamps and radiator and valve covers, and it's Concourse correct under there. The right antenna. We have 3 judging sheets. It was at a show. 3 different judges scored the car. The lowest score was 97.5 out of 100. The highest score was 100. So one guy says there was pits on the door panel. I guess so. Yes, there's 2 tiny little pits here, so that took a half a point off. So that's how meticulous they were. Headliner, carpets, the whole dash area is pristine. All the chrome bezels and knobs and everything about it is like new. Look inside this trunk. Looks like it's the original quarter panels. Everything is painted glossy. It has matching spare tire and wheel. The wiring, the latches, everything. It's nice. Nice. So it does have factory tachometer. Even the little light over the key lights up. The Roadrunner horn. Gotta have that. Got a stock exhaust system. Everything I'm looking at looks new. The heater controls, the mirror, the visors, the headliner's tight as a drum. Smells good. It's got good gas in there. So yeah, if you like quality, just knowing you've got the best of the best. Even the little turn signals on the fender work. I tried those out. Look at the stainless steel trim is polished. The windows roll real smooth. They fit real nice. It's got the right shifter. So obviously quality, it costs $100 to duplicate this restoration these days. Go to a professional shop, ask them what a paint job is. They'll start at $15 and go up to $20. That's just the paint job. Add all the chrome, the rotisserie doing underneath, all the brake lines, suspension, interior, rebuilding everything. You'll have $100 in building this car. We're way less than that. Go to the website for the pricing. So it's investment grade, extremely high quality, unique because of the color. Comes from a very high-end Mopar collector that's known as an expert. Any questions, contact us. Feel free to leave comments on the YouTube video here and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be posting lots of really awesome cars like this. Thanks for watching.